They're just quite small sea lions in comparison to some of the large seals which patrol the coast. The leopard seal would happily munch on some of the smaller choice morsels you can see playing by the seaweed ahead. That seaweed telling you it's really clean, healthy sea, up to the length of your arm every day for the scalp. This provides a good source of energy for the rest of the food chain. So it's for the smaller abalone